Welcome back to Chrome and Coffee. Buying a car is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. But not every car on the market is worth your hard-earned money. While some models shine with high ratings across the board, others are riddled with big issues that frustrate owners. Thanks to Consumer Reports, one of the most trusted names in car reviews, we can notice which vehicles consistently fail to meet expectations. From constant mechanical failures to disappointing performance, these cars are the ones savvy buyers avoid at all costs. Stick around as we dive into the 10 worst cars according to Consumer Reports and uncover why they've earned such poor reputations. Car number 1. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass might have the rugged Jeep badge, but that's where its appeal ends. Consumer Reports gave the Compass low marks for reliability, with frequent complaints about its transmission and electronics. Even the turbocharged engine introduced to improve performance has been criticized for its sluggish acceleration and lack of refinement. Inside, the Compass feels cramped, with rear passengers short on legroom. Combine that with its stiff ride and subpar gas mileage, and you have a vehicle that fails to justify its $30,000 price tag. Rivals like the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4 offer far more for the money, leaving the Compass stuck in the mud. One additional issue is its resale value. The Compass depreciates quickly, leaving owners with a vehicle that struggles to hold its worth over time. That's a major red flag for anyone considering long-term ownership. Car number 2. Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mitsubishi Mirage is often touted as one of the cheapest new cars you can buy, but sometimes you get exactly what you pay for. Starting at under $17,000, the Mirage is powered by a 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder engine that produces a laughable 78 horsepower. Consumer Reports called it one of the slowest and least refined cars they've tested, with highway merging being a particularly stressful experience. Safety is another glaring issue. The Mirage's crash test ratings are mediocre, and it lacks many advanced safety features found in similarly priced competitors. On top of that, the interior is bare bones, with hard plastics and outdated tech that feel years behind the competition. Simply put, the Mirage is a car that struggles to keep up in every sense. To make matters worse, the Mirage's long-term reliability is questionable. Owners have reported persistent problems with the suspension and CVT transmission, leading to costly repairs that outweigh the car's low initial price. Car number 3. Chevrolet Malibu. The Chevy Malibu once had a strong presence in the midsize sedan market, but the current model highlights how far it's fallen behind. Consumer Reports called out its outdated design and reliability issues, particularly with its turbocharged engine, which has been known for early failures. In a segment dominated by vehicles like the Honda Accord and Toyota Camry, the Malibu feels unremarkable. Its base engine is underpowered, and its ride quality is stiff compared to competitors. Add in a cabin filled with cheap materials and poor resale value, and it's easy to see why so few people are buying the Malibu. Another major drawback is its lack of modern safety features. While competitors include advanced driver assist systems as standard, the Malibu charges extra, making it a less appealing choice for cost-conscious buyers. Car number 4. Infiniti QX60. The Infiniti QX60 is marketed as a luxury SUV, but Consumer Reports found little about it that felt luxurious. While it boasts an attractive design, the QX60 falters in key areas like reliability and performance. Owners have reported issues with the transmission and problems with its tech features, including the infotainment system. Even the driving experience disappoints, with vague steering and noticeable road noise that undermines its premium price tag. Compared to rivals like the Acura MDX or Lexus RX, the QX60 feels like a missed opportunity for Infiniti. What's more, the fuel economy is below average for the class, adding another strike against this so-called luxury SUV. For the price, buyers expect far better. Car number 5. Ford Ecosport. The Ford Ecosport has been a disappointment since its debut, and the current model is no different. Consumer Reports gave it some of the lowest scores in the subcompact SUV segment, citing its uncomfortable ride, limited cargo space, and sluggish engine. Despite its small size, the EcoSport struggles with fuel efficiency, and its outdated infotainment system feels years behind competitors like the Hyundai Kona and Mazda CX-30. Ford's decision to discontinue the EcoSport speaks volumes about its failure to resonate with buyers. Even loyal Ford fans have found it hard to defend this model, making it one of the least popular subcompact SUVs on the market. Car number 6. Nissan Altima. The Altima is a mid-size sedan that seems stuck in neutral. While it offers good fuel efficiency, Consumer Reports criticized its CVT transmission, which is notorious for causing reliability headaches. Drivers have reported issues like jerky acceleration and costly repairs. The interior, though spacious, doesn't stand out, with a mix of cheap materials that feel underwhelming. In a market with strong options like the Toyota Camry and Subaru Legacy, the Altima struggles to justify its place. Even its advanced safety features, which should be a highlight, have been described as less intuitive compared to competitors, further diminishing its appeal. Car number 7. Volkswagen Taos. Volkswagen's Taos is another subcompact SUV that fails to deliver on its promises. Consumer Reports noted significant reliability concerns, particularly with its turbocharged engine and electronic components. While the Taos does offer decent cargo space, its jittery ride and noisy cabin make for a subpar driving experience. For the same price, you can find better equipped and more reliable options, like the Honda HR-V or Mazda CX-30. Also, the Taos suffers from higher maintenance costs than many of its competitors, making it a tough sell for budget-conscious buyers. Car number 8. Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 is a full-size sedan that feels like it's from another era, and not in a good way. Consumer Reports called out its outdated design and poor reliability, particularly with its V6 engine. While the available V8 adds some excitement, it's not enough to save this car from irrelevance. With other brands moving toward modern, fuel-efficient designs, the Chrysler 300 feels like a dinosaur in today's market. It's no surprise that Chrysler plans to discontinue the model soon. The lack of cutting-edge tech features further cements its status as a relic, appealing only to a shrinking audience. Car number 9. Fiat 500X. The Fiat 500X tries to bring European flair to the compact SUV market but falls short. Its small size is a blessing in tight spaces, but its underwhelming performance and questionable reliability make it a hard sell. Consumer Reports highlighted issues with its transmission and electronic systems, which have been costly for owners. Combine that with a cramped interior and high repair costs, and the 500X becomes a tough sell even for Fiat fans. Its resale value is another sore point, as depreciation hits Fiat models harder than most competitors. Car number 10. Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y has great tech and impressive range, but Consumer Reports pointed out glaring flaws, including inconsistent build quality and a stiff ride. Buyers have reported panel gaps, rattles, and poor customer service from Tesla. For a vehicle priced as a luxury SUV, the Model Y falls short in comfort and refinement. Competitors like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 or Ford Mustang Mach-E offer a smoother and more polished driving experience. Additionally, Tesla's controversial repair policies and limited service network add to the frustration, leaving some buyers wishing they had chosen differently. There you have it, the worst cars confirmed by Consumer Reports. Whether it's poor reliability, disappointing performance, or outdated designs, these vehicles are better left on the dealership lot. Do your homework before buying a car. Remember, just because a car is new doesn't mean it's good. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chrome & Coffee for more car reviews and buying tips.